Sure, I've been talking all this time and my microphone hasn't been picking it up at all. That's fun. Yeah, I don't know why, but this laptop's been having a couple issues with USB, but you know what they say, it is what it is. Alright, so on the chopping block today, I believe what I'm just doing for the most part here is probably just... Okay, well, really, I released a dev video, or a devlog, but the YouTube algorithm fucked me over, like, hard, and nobody was recommended it whatsoever, so yeah, just I'll update everyone on what I've got here. It's nothing too notable, but you know, doesn't hurt. Here, let me give you a better view here of what's actually important. So my camera's a little fried right now, but can't do too much about that, honestly. I need the higher contrast here for the Aruco cards to work, and this blueprint also doesn't work. So, right, I'm getting off topic here. First things first, off stream I got OLED working. So these are displays for chips in Mult. Unfortunately, webcam just doesn't pick them up, so tough luck, I guess. But just know that on my side I'm getting crystal clear numbers here, and I also implemented E for scientific notation. So numbers on this display go up into like the E thousands, but that's where a question for the stream comes in that I will wait until more people are here to ask. Alright, other than that, voila! We have actual jokers now. Congrats! I stopped using servos, finally. I know they look stupid, but now we've got slightly less stupid looking. And the final thing left of a note, I believe, is the 3D enclosure. There's a decently high chance it is done by next Wednesday. For now, I'm chatting up a friend about it. I'm asking, like, he's asking for dimensions, for like modeling it together, we're making sure everything works. It's more important that everything works than everything's fast, as they say, so yep. I'll get into let's get to it. I think we are straight up just doing more jokers here, and nothing particularly else of note. So yeah, let's get to designing. Where are we at right now? Oh, sorry, I'll swap back to the other scene. Alright, so... Ooh, right. That is one thing I needed to get done. Also, this is gonna be, like, messed up for a while until I actually get jokers set up. I have, like, a few test jokers here, but honestly, the only things that are gonna work are, ones with white backgrounds. Ones without white backgrounds here, I forgot that with Aruco, you need like a white border before the black border to make the AI see it better. But with Brainstorm and Jimbo here, the CV is able to detect it just fine. So as you can see in the code here, I don't know if you can actually, my camera might be covering it, but essentially, I have it set up so jokers are now detected left to right, and I can still input them manually here, but they're overridden by the computer vision right now. So, yay! Let me check one thing. Just need to make sure. Okay, good. Alright. The one thing I didn't get done on my agenda list was I did not get Four Fingers finished, so Four Fingers is still in development. Also, I'm gonna turn my fan on here. Please let me know if you can hear it. If you can hear it, I'll shut it off, like, immediately. Doesn't look like you can. Okay, well, right. I'm just quickly going to fix up Four Fingers shortcut. And by that, I mean I'm going to vibe code it. Let's go. I don't know what else you expected. I suck at Python. Alright, let me actually see if I can jog my head on why. Was it because if I get rid of like this 3 or something, it's not going to be a strush, maybe? Let's see. If this isn't the strush, then it's a Four Fingers plus. Also, okay, for testing sake, I'm gonna leave these here just as a visual, cause like whatever, man. But I'm going to just quickly comment out the Jokers detected lines. So, we don't need you, we don't need you, and we're not going to sync the joke. Oh, I forgot this isn't C. Okay. So now, Jokers aren't updated, which means that I can get back to testing much more easily. Is my camera doing the thing? I hate it when the camera does that, where it like blinks in and out, and I don't know how to fix it, but I'll look into that later. Hopefully it's not too annoying. It's gonna be a little annoying, but I just pray it's not too bad. Alright, so Four Fingers, let's just get a round set up with Four Fingers active. Gonna move my microphone here and make it so I can press the buttons more easily. I don't know how quiet I am. I might be a little too quiet. Let me know. Alright. Running it. Let me make sure camera can see everything because I might have pushed stuff around. Looks good. Okay. Should be able to just flash this in. And we should be seeing the Ace 2, 4, 5. Did that actually move all 4 of these? Let me check. Ah. I guess that is an issue I technically haven't addressed. When I'm playing cards like this, I expect them to be like Ace 2, 4, 5 rather than Ace 2, X, 4, 5. But whatever. Same message gets across. This should be a strush, but it ain't. So that's the issue. Oh, duh, it's because I don't have a shortcut. I was gonna... Okay, I forgot I have to enable both of them. it working now? Question mark? Question mark, question mark. Yeah, okay, that is a strush. Okay, was the issue specifically on, what, 5 here then? Kill off 5, get 3 in. So is it a 4 fingers only issue? Because shortcut seems to be working just fine. Let's see. If this isn't a strush, then I know it's only 4 fingers. Let's see. No, that is a strush. Okay, wait, then what do you mean? I swear there was someone who said that 4 fingers wasn't working. Am I going nuts? I mean, was it... When wasn't 4 fingers working? I don't know. Maybe I fixed it off stream? I'm uncertain. Who knows? Alright. Well, if that's the case, then I guess I don't need to look in 4 fingers anymore. Alright, something else I did. Debug mode. I just have access to debug mode in Balatro now, so... It should be a lot easier of a time to get the jokes and stuff. Yay! This rose, my camera's like obnoxiously big. I don't think you guys need like vision of like this side. Yeah, I think yeah, like that's fine. Okay. So next Joker up. Got Green Joker done. I haven't done Cavendish. I've done Square. Alright, well I guess Cavendish time. This should be fairly simple. It's just the same logic as banana in Shad, but it's a 1 in 1,000 chance instead. Where is... oh, I can just... did I say hey in chat and throw some get? And this one is going to be Cavendish. Me. Cavendish. Jeez, I've been hunched over my computer for so long because my project has been taking up like the entirety of my desk, and it's such a pain to move all of it now. I need to watch my back health. I mean, I work out, man, but it's not enough. With no viewers, huh? Whatever. I'm not gonna see viewers. Go on the fun scenes. And then one. I can just copy the description. There's 3 molds, 1 in 1,000 chances. My card's destroyed. Is common or uncommon? It's common? I forgot. That's crazy. And then now this is 0 to 1,000 greater than or equal to 1,000. It should be 999 actually, because it's inclusive. Okay. Let's see. So yeah, times 3 mult gets eaten or is safe. I think this is just it, except I need to do Mult 3. Okay. And just Cavendish real quick. And I need to input Cavendish. And run it. Okay. So Cavendish should be working here. If I find a way to destroy it, I'll be shocked. I just realized this wire's in frame. Okay. Let's run it. Oh right, it's just high card because I have no 4 fingers or anything, so I can just tack on this 5th card, and we should be good. Make sure my camera actually is picking up all this. Looks like it. Also, yeah, in case you're watching, the Joker's in frame right now. I have them disabled. I am overriding them right now with my own Joker state thing. So we're testing Cavendish right now. You should be seeing the basic Joker tilting and giving times 3 minutes, which is the case. And Cavendish is safe. Yeah, Joker triggered. Cavendish gets times 3 Mult, 125 times 24. Strush is, I believe, what, it's 80 plus 80 times 8. I think is Strush. Let's see what Strush's level is. Strush is 100 times 8, so 100 plus 11 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is 125. Yeah. Yeah, alright. Should we do, oh, I've got a genius idea. Genius idea. Stream ends when Cavendish is eaten. How about that? And I'll keep Cavendish in the Joker slots for this entire stream. Alright. Yeah, so what's next here? Did my loop end? No, it's just loading. Fun stuff. Why are you loading? Who cares? Please tell me my Wi-Fi didn't shut off. That'd be annoying. Did my Wi-Fi shut off? No, it doesn't look like it. We good? Is YouTube just being annoying? Yeah, my Wi-Fi's fine. It's just YouTube moment. Okay. Whatever. Run it back. Alright, so Cavendish done. Card sharp should be pretty easy. It just needs to track. Like... It just needs access to, like, hands played. And then, like, if anti-pan played is already played this round, then... Yeah, I mean... Sorry, I'm speaking some gobbledygook here, but it's basically that. Let's go to the end here, so it's more canon. Okay, so this is going to be card sharp. Main sharp. Description. Yeah, I can give you a refresher if you haven't seen the devlog video. YouTube doesn't feel like recommending it to people right now, so there might be a lot of new stuff here that you're not aware of. Yeah, okay. So it's going to be beforehand played. You want... Well, no, it would be... This is actually start of blind choker too. So start of blind, we need to just log down like a copy of the hands like played list, and then if it's greater than or equal to 1 more. Okay, so it would be self dot what did I use as the name for this again? Times played, so we'll just use times played copy. Equals none. Alright. Yeah, I think we only need to care about after hand played main, and otherwise it's just gonna be on event blind start, I think was it? Forgot what I used. Start of blind, yeah. Start of blind. And then we just need to copy down the state times played. That wasn't you, by the way. Sorry, let me enter do not disturb. Also, yeah, if I'm too quiet, let me know. I decreased my microphone volume because I was peaking too often last stream, is what I noticed. But I might be too quiet now. Might need to decrease the music volume actually. Who knows? Yeah. So after hand played main, and the other condition is it would be what self dot times played copy state dot hand play sorry hand type, yeah, hand type dot value is greater than that but not the copy, so it would be I wanted to keep the main trigger function like... Okay, so yeah, previously I was doing that, but I think one trigger function is just cleaner in my eyes, I guess. I don't know, I might be dumb. I just dislike the look of like a ton of functions when something simple like if event equals start of blind, do this. If event equals after hand played main and condition, do this. I guess I just find that cleaner, but I know that's definitely up for contention. Times played. So I think that's it. And then Mult 3. Test time. Oh, right. I need to remember to keep updating the text. I think we're at 51? I don't know, I kind of lost track. And this would be 52. I'm decently certain what I did here should get it. Right, let's... what? Game state has no attribute score scaling. Oh, did I mess something up? There's an apply deck run game state dot scores. Yeah, it does. What? Wait, where'd the other score scaling go? Did I nuke it somehow? What? That would be an issue. Very sharp. Getting rid of that. But I tested Cavendish and it worked just fine, didn't it? Whenever like a weird error like that happens, it's typically because I forgot the parens after the Joker. Maybe I did that time and I just didn't notice. There is not a 6 of clubs. I don't know what the camera's thinking. Where does it see the 6 of clubs here? Cool. Nice hallucination, man. I guess we can, like, push this all up. I mean, this isn't particularly being used, so we can just shove it out of the way for now, and then something like this? I don't know. Good enough. Sorry. Yeah, I know, right? I think maybe it was just a weird, phony error. If it happens again, though, I'll be confused, because score scaling... Wait, no, but score scaling didn't... String has no object val. Oh, right. That's not how you do it? How do you? God. Oh, it's not values, of course. Am I using this correctly? I think I am. Maybe I'm not. Who knows? Also, in Spawn, is there, or sorry, in State, is there actually no score scaling? That preset, there is no score scaling. Wait, why not? Am I stupid? Also, how has it been working if... Maybe because I set a local variable? Who knows? That's strange. This might not work. If it doesn't, it is what it is. Has no attribute values. Okay. So I need like corresponding thing for it. It might be stupid. Alright, Weeball. This is probably like something you'll learn in Python 101, man. What is it? Oh, wait. Where is our chart? Okay. I think it's actually, you don't even need this. Because you already know one value, so... Yeah. Okay, I was just throwing. So now, I'm pretty sure. 90% certain. Oh, I have been on the wrong... Sorry. Don't hallucinate another 6, please. Okay, we're good. Hand detected straight flush. Okay, I just need to get to the point where Strush doesn't win in one hand. It's gonna take a hot second here. These things are annoying. They move a lot because they have a bunch of wires in them. They have like 4 extra wires in the back here that you can't see. It's really obnoxious to try and hook them all up, but I did, so maybe this one? How much? I need. Okay, so this is the last blind where I don't win it. Okay. Go. And now card sharp should activate. It did not. Ooh. Okay, why not? Is start a blind called? I thought it was. Yeah, start a blind is called. To copy and this is soft times played copy. That's the name I used, right? That anti because trigger that times played. Is this like doing a pointer right now, or is it actually like copying the entire list itself? I don't know. I don't think it's pointing to it. I think it would tell me if I was pointing to it. I guess. Let me just print. Just a debug thing here. If and then self dots copy type and take that times played dot and then indent all this. So where does it go wrong? Is it? Okay, then both are updating. That's not right. It should be a unique copy. How do I make it a unique copy? Let me make this real. Or just ask the AI. Yeah, so I assume that in the reference, so I need to do something special. Oh, it's seriously just dot copy. Okay, good to know. I will use that in the future. So now, if we do this, we should be seeing 0, 1. And if that's the case, then we actually need greater than 1, I think, because or else card sharp's going to activate the first time, I think. Let's see. Did I do it in the wrong order? I did it in the wrong order. Yeah, okay. It needs to be the other way around. If it is greater than... that's ugly. I'm probably stencil this around. Let's get rid of the debug because we don't need it anymore because I'm goaded. And it's greater than self times play copies. Alright, so thinking about the order here, it should be 1 plus the copy, I think. And let's just start on anti-like 4 here, just to make it easier to reach a point right up on top. Okay. Okay. I started on a... Do I call reset immediately or something? I definitely put in anti-4 here. Oh, I put that into reset. I'm stupid. I need to fix this then. Yeah, right now my program's definitely super messy, super not refined, but I mean, I'm allowed to get away with that because it's just a test. Okay, and now, yep, card sharp activated. Okay, cool. And I guess just to make sure, I'm gonna take away the 4 here, make it just become a high card. So this should now be high card. And again, card sharp. Yeah, but now reintroduce this and card sharp shouldn't be activated. And now it should. Yeah. It completely blanked on the 3. Okay, but you know, my point still stands, even though it didn't see the 3 here. Is the 3 like out of vision or something? Not really? I don't know why it didn't see the 3 there. Oh, CV's still buggy apparently. I mean, last stream I don't think there was a single instance of it going bad, so... No, maybe that was just because I had the camera more like zoomed in on it. Who knows? The good news is I won't have to rely on playing card CV in the final version, so... Okay. Kill terminal. And... okay, I think that's card sharp done, so go next. This is Balatro. There we go. Okay. Card sharp done. Red card not happening. Madness I can do. Yeah, sure, why not? I just need to make sure it doesn't destroy itself. Pretty sure Madness doesn't destroy itself. Like 90% certain that's the case. Is Madness... Yep. So true. It should be pretty simple. It just perishes something if not stealth. So it's gonna like randomize through like the jokers and joker until does not equal self. So this should be pretty easy. It's start of blind, right? Oh, it's small blind or big blind, not boss blind? Since when has it not been boss blind? I don't know, I don't use Madness too much. I'll be honest, I'm not the biggest fan, but whatever. This needs self.mult. Starts at 1. Name. Yes. Description. Whatever. Is uncommon. Alright, so if event equals start of blind and state dot blind, so current blind does not equal what? Os? Because the other two it activates, so I guess this is technically what I do. It's gonna be self dot. Well, not even self. We're gonna randomize through every joker until it's not this guy. Okay. So wow, and I'll also just use it like actually I don't need it. We'll just use a quick target equals none. Wow. Target. We should do like a it's not equal self or target equals none. It should just do target equals state dot jokers rand int between zero and state dot build joker slots -1, and then afterwards target dot perish should be valid, and this is going to come with a tilt here. It's going to say print trigger murders. What should I use? Just murder? Violently consumes name and gains time 0.5 Mult is going to be self.mult, and make sure after it perishes, we do actually we should tack on currently make sure that we implement the mult first, so it will be self.mult plus equals 0.5. I think we should be good. Like, I don't see where I could have messed up there. No, to be fair, maybe that is the sign of stupidity itself. Let's do a run with card sharp Cavendish, and now madness again here. Run it. Oh, it killed itself. Good game. I must have accidentally inverted the... It's, yeah, while target equals self, right? Okay. Yeah, I see how I could have screwed it up now. We're gonna run it back, but this time Madness doesn't kill himself. Oh, Cavendish is dead. Okay. And now, so Cavendish shouldn't proc. Madness has no attribute times played copy. Did I accidentally? When did I? Where's times played copy? Times played copy. Oh, I accidentally included the conditional here. That's not what I want. It should just be this. And let's see if Madness eats something else now. What are you gonna eat, Madness? Do your thing. Yummers. Okay, Madness ate card sharp. Snap photo. Cavendish gives 3 mult, Madness gives 1.5 mult. Okay, and now... Oh, I should add... Right, I should add a safeguard to make sure Madness isn't kept in an infinite loop. Because if I didn't, then this would be forever. So while... Okay, so if start a blind and at third conditional, which is and state.filled joker slots is greater than 1. Because if not, then Madness is just gonna stay in. Actually, let's see what happens. Madness, eat it. Yep, Cavendish consumed. Okay, blind defeated, and now infinite loop. Or not. I guess you can just break out of it. Whatever. Actually, does it update on... There's no way it updates on demand that I've been quitting out the terminal for no reason, right? Self.mult plus 1,000 or 10,000. Plus 10,000. And now, surely this doesn't, like... Okay, no it doesn't. I could just break out of it, apparently. Good. I would have been very confused if a program could update mid-run. Just need to check and make sure that I'm not going crazy. Get it? Madness. Alright. Oh, I accidentally made that huge. Oh, what's happening? What's happening? There we go. Alright, Madness finished. Up next... I think I already did score Joker. Let me just make sure, though. Square Joker is, yeah, Square Joker is complete. I think I checked them too, should be good. Seance, I don't have spectral cards yet, so that's not happening. Riffraff, I'll add Riffraff once I'm... Actually, wait, no, I don't even have to wait until every common Joker's here, because I can just go through like every Joker, but no, then I would need a list of every Joker. I think I need that for the, what's it called? Judgment? It's the one that spawns a Joker. I'm gonna need it for that anyways, but I'll handle Riffraff when that time comes. Shortcut, we should be good. Hologram. Oh, that reminds me. I thought that Four Fingers shortcut was broken, but when I tested it earlier today, it didn't feel like it. Like, I did a bunch of testing, I couldn't get it to go wrong a single time. Like, feel free to test with your own, like, code and, like, inputted cards, but from what I put in, I didn't see shortcut, the Four Fingers breaking when it comes to stress detection, so... I may just be dumb, though. Create a tarot card if hand is played with 4 or less. I don't have tarots. I don't have kings. 9's not going to do anything. Rocket, I already implemented. Obelisk, implemented. Midas Mask, probably not happening. Luchador, I don't have blinds yet. Photograph, I implemented. Gift card, realistically, I don't wanna, but I really should just add like a sell price to Jokers, because I saw that Jokers all have like a buy price and sell price, but I don't know the exact formula for it. I guess I'll look into it later. For now, no gift card. Turtle Bean, hand size is not happening. Erosion, not happening. Held in hand, not happening. Do I want to implement discards? Right now, no. As soon as I get the 3D enclosure, though, yes, I think. So, mail-in rebate, not yet. I forget with To the Moon what it looks like. Collection, Jokers, To the Moon. Where is it? There you are. Okay, so let's just win this. Where's the like win this round instead of win this run? You know what? Good enough. Go. Oh, never mind. My bad. Okay, I'm stupid. Get me out of here, please. Jimbo. Hello, Jimbo. Can I get rid of you? I have not messed with debug mode. How do you... Can I kill you? I want to kill you. Yeah, I guess not. Oh, I have 4 Bakan queens. I can bring these. Hello, Jimbo. Oh, okay, so it just says 2 interest per $5 instead. I can do that. This is going to be a special Joker. Probably, because it doesn't, like, display its own thing. I mean, yeah, no, interest is already a thing, so it should be just class To the Moon, Joker. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Copying all this over, because it's the same for each of these guys. And no trigger. problem. Yep. Okay, now I just need to go to main.py. Where's interest? Okay, state.money is greater than equal to 5. It's either going to print 1 interest or it's an alternate case where what was that? Expected event block? Oh. Right. There we go. I could just add, like... The elegant solution is finding something else, but I'm just gonna do this. I go Joker check here. And I also need to... I should probably have my own dedicated cache-out file here, but I didn't, so I don't. There, type shit this off. Where is interest? You are going to be 2. Am I going crazy or are these misaligned? These are misaligned. Let's go back. There we go. Fix it, and Joker check. Let's do... Yeah, I mean, I could go with something as simple as max interest times 2. That works for me. And then we're just gonna do I plus equals. Or I could just do like I plus equals. Actually, wait, no, I could just do this anyways. Yeah, that's fine. Sure. Good enough. I'm taking Madness out because even though everyone loves him, he is annoying. Let's go back to anti-1. I'm gonna test, what happens to anti-1? Is it gonna crash like on start here? Yeah, anti-1 is not a fan. Oh, it's because of course. Of course I wouldn't be a fan of anti-1 because it's not in there. It missed the 5. Oh, my camera stopped updating. I noticed. I love it when it just does that. I don't know why it does that, but it does. Okay, now it should work. Cool. 2 remaining hands, and I had no interest, but I should have interest now, so run it. 1 interest per $5. I forgot to put into the moon as a joker I have. But should be good now. I don't know why it's doing that. Why is it flashing? Okay, 3 remaining hands, cash out 6, go. 1 interest per $5 max. I have... Did I put in quotes? Joker check to the moon? No, I didn't. Let's look up my... Two interest. Why is it only, huh? Should be 2 interests per... I mean, just also making sure, yeah. What's wrong? Why aren't... If state and Joker check to the moon. We should have to the moon, right? I put in to the moon, right? To the moon, to the moon. So we have to the moon and our jokers. So what? Am I going insane? Print 2 interest. Okay, so the first condition isn't happening. Joker check to the moon isn't going true. Let me look at Joker check again. I thought Joker check was set up, so it's... I moved everything. Joker check, where are you? Joker check. If any instruments return true, else return false. J to J and state jokers. Did I have a feeling it's gonna be that. Is it gonna be that? I have a humble feeling it's gonna be that. If it's that, then I won't be shocked. Do I have a Joker check Mr. Bones here? No. Oh, yeah, I do. But that's not... Huh? Yeah, never mind. I have to get rid of that. So why? Money is greater than 5, but Joker check to the moon is coming out false, despite having to the moon in my jokers. So what's the deal? What? I don't... Does Mr. Bones work? Let me make sure Mr. Bones works, so I can see if it's an issue with the function itself. I swear Mr. Bones did work last time I tried. Let me actually replace cabinets with Mr. Bones real quick. So now if we, get rid of you. That's too little score, I think. Whatever. Oh wait, card sharp's giving the Mult. Never mind, we're good. Yeah, Mr. Bones is activating, so I don't understand. Did I mess up? Like, let me take a look at the difference. I thought that's how Joker check was set up. There we go. Okay. So let's see. Joker check to the moon versus Joker check Mr. Bones. Where's Mr. Bones? If Joker check Mr. Bones. I don't know why I'm so like stubborn to debugging. I should just do like print Joker check just at the start here. Actually, you don't even need to run the game. Just print Joker check to the moon. And if it returns false, then we need to find out why. And if it's because I did put to the moon incorrectly. So why are you being so mean to me, game? Yeah, it's true. So, do I need to specifically say equals true? I mean, just looking at these conditions here, money is greater than 5 and Joker check to the moon. Do I really need to put true? I didn't think I did. Let's see, I guess. Because the first condition we know is correct, because the second condition's activating. Yeah. Okay. So play land. Okay, go next. Oh, you do? Why? That's stupid. Why would you need to put equals true? Okay, whatever. Run it back. Okay, cash out's looking good. Yeah, 2 interest for $5, 5 max. So that should be printing double. It was 10 interest for $5. Oh, 10 max. Oh, is that like the max amount of money you can make from it? Okay, if that's the case, then we would just need to, I guess, double this either way. Sure. Okay, that works. Alright, that should be 54 done then. Okay. I forget. Yeah, okay. Next up is going to be then... Can't do hallucination because there's no tarot cards yet. Can't do fortune teller, no tarot cards yet. Can't do juggler. Fingers yet. What I did was I did ace 2 3 x5. Are you saying that like it doesn't work specifically if it's a heart instead? Because I mean, like with 4 fingers. Okay, if that's the case, I'll mark that down real quick. I'll fix that. Fix 4 fingers. Prioritizing straight / flush to strush. Yeah, I know any other suit, but what I meant was like, here, I'll show real quick with 4 fingers in state here. And shortcut just for, you know, the lulz. It should output strush. And are you saying like yeah, strush, and if I put a 4 of any other suit, it breaks, apparently. That isn't something I had in mind, because like why would you play a 4 of any other suit when you're running short? I guess it's extra score. I mean, like I see like why not? So this breaks it? Oh, it does. Okay, yeah, good to know. So it prioritizes flush over strush. Okay. Yeah, I'll get on that. Probably not this stream, but I'll just do it like off camera because scoring logic sucks and I hate it, and etc. So yeah, I'll just quickly make sure it's gonna say 10 max. That says 5. Oh, it's because I got rid of To the Moon. Okay, whatever. I'm confident it's gonna say 10 max. Go next. Drunkard. That should be really easy. It's gonna be a start a blind Joker that just adds 1 discard. And I think that's actually one you can't copy with Blueprint. Yeah, you can't. Okay, so it's gonna be like Burglar, the burger. Start a blind. Juggler. Oh, I get to add spare trousers. I love spare trousers. So, funny little fact about me. 2 pair is my favorite Balatro hand. I just think it's so fun to play, I'll be honest. And it's like the midpoint between like running pairs or like high card and running like flush and straights. I just find it really fun. Plus, square Joker, plus spare trousers. It's just like a really fun combination, in my opinion. So it's just. Like, I know it's not the best hand, but you know. Also, Uranus. Pretty funny. Description. +1, discard on each round. So yeah, start a blind. Plus. A quick question. Actually, no, I'll test this myself because I just can. I have debug mod. Except I'm gonna quit real quick because this stupid Jimbo's in my face. I wonder if you do. Like, does the order matter when you do Drunkard and Burglar? Burglar. Where is Drunkard? There he is. Oh, okay. So it's like when you get it, it doesn't like on blind start or anything. It's just like passive. And like if I sell it, okay. So I need it to be constant. So that's gonna be on like, I need to add the conditions like on Joker buy and on Joker sell for like constant things, like oops all 6s for instance. Like that isn't like a event really, it's just like at any time. So maybe I should just add like a if any event. I don't know, how am I gonna handle this? I also need like, I need to make sure the no, it's not gonna be on any event because you can't do it like in the middle of a round where discards are gonna be going down. Yeah, never mind. Drunkard's actually not gonna be very easy. I'll look into it later. Similar to oops all 6s, it's once I implement shop, it should be easier to put in. Golden Joker, though. Golden Joker is about as free as it gets. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. But I could do it like... I could make it like on Joker Perish or something like that, too. Because on Joker Perish, I could just do a quick check to see like if a Joker perishes, or whenever I run the perish command, I like trigger all perish Jokers or something like that. I know the Balatro term's extinct, but I find perish funnier. Golden Joker is going to be a end of round like to-do list. Actually, it shows up like delayed gratification unlock it, so it's going to be here. I mean, it does show up. I want to make sure I'm not going crazy here real quick. Or sorry, where's photo? This photo, am I blind? I might actually be blind. I'm gonna look through all these again. Photo. Dude, whatever. I'll just... All blind. 65432. It's just handing it to me. Great. Check. Okay, Golden Joker shows up in first, right? Yes. Before interest? Why? Okay, whatever. I mean, I'm probably not gonna do that because it doesn't matter last I checked. So, who cares? Yeah, just go Golden Joker. Name, Golden Joker. And just $94 that went round. 30 is common. Copyables also false for this one, I'm pretty sure. What happens if you have multiple Golden Jokers, by the way? Like, I think you can do that with Showman. You. Good enough. Let me add, like, another Golden Joker here. I'm interested. I mean, they don't merge, I don't think. Get rid of... You. Since 6543 works, I guess. Cool. Okay, so it's gonna work like I expect, I guess. It's gonna be similar to that if you have multiple Golden Jokers. Oops. And then if you can just cash out. Golden Joker. In range. $4. Why did I make this two separate conditions? What? Should be one to make it look better. Cool. Okay, and if you just get rid of this condition altogether. Is Golden Joker tilt? I mean, I may as well do this much attention to detail. I'm gonna do a high shirt this time. If I'm lucky. Long king. Okay. Show me a king. Yep. I forget if Golden Joker tilts. Let's see, does he tilt? Yeah, okay. He does. Okay. Good to know. So, yep, self.tilt. So we should be seeing if we... I accidentally looked up state. What? What did I accidentally close out of? If it was important, I will notice it. So, whatever. Click on Golden Joker, and I think that's going to be another complete 55. Let's just do a round with Golden Joker, copied 3 times, and then a brainstorm just to make sure it doesn't copy. Go next. Oh, my camera froze. I hate. Why is it doing that? You know, this camera, like, it's not as much of a pain as the other one that I like bought, but it's still a pain, you know? I guess I'll look into like what's causing it, but whatever. That's for later. Ace 2, 3. Yep. Should be 4 Golden Joker procs, no, not 5. Let me just make sure it's just the all 4 kills here, right? Why doesn't the second one tilt? Is the second one not a Golden Joker or something? Huh? Did I set up the config wrong? I guess I'll run it one more time. I swear the tilts are... It's tilting this one, then this one, then this one. Why? It's skipping one. Is this not connected or something? Should be connected. Oh, do I have... Let me check my Arduino. Tilt Jokers 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. Tilt Joker 2. I mean, we can... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's get real quick with like a Joker that's gonna like trigger a bunch, like pull out Raffle Joker, and then we run 3 hacks, or just 2 hacks. Should work. I don't know why the second one isn't triggering. It's kind of annoying when it isn't. Okay. Run it. Let's see. Okay. It should be triggering a ton here. It's not. Is the second Joker not even being looked at all? I'm confused. Didn't I put Raffle Joker? And oh no, Gluttonous Joker is the one that I'm looking for. Okay. Should be fixed now, I think. Send it, I reckon. So it's gonna say send command, but is it gonna tilt? It isn't tilting whatsoever. Is it? It is connected. I need to see real quick what gets sent when it's tilting. Arduino serial activate Joker, and I'm just gonna print the debug. It should really be printing the correct trigger here. Every other servo is working. Is this just a broken servo now? I really hope that's not the case. That'd be a nuisance. I'll just quickly actually take this Joker image off. And set that there. Just down here actually works. Are you gonna tilt? No, you aren't. Tilt Joker 2 has been triggered multiple times. So why aren't you triggering? Well, let me take a look here. The wire is going up and through here. Do I do black first? Did I mess up the order? Like a stupid idiot? I don't think I did. And just confirming, Tilt Joker 2 should be going to servo 7. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I did set it up wrong. I'm pretty sure that's ground first there. Okay, I'm glad I noticed that. It should be the other way around here. And now it should be open. Luckily I didn't do any like demonstrations with that as an issue. Come on. Get on the pins. Get on the pins. Get on the pins. Get on the pins. Come on. Okay. Should be fixed now. Just need to retape it down for wire management's sake, because wire management with this project is genuinely hell. And my camera just, please, work. Just, I'll look into that in a bit. It's just, why is it not, it didn't do this last stream. It really didn't. I mean, that's what I get for cheaping out and only buying like a $7 webcam, I guess. You know, these are not exactly built to last, but I would expect them to last more than 2 days, give or take. No. Better? I reckon better. Once again, make sure camera can see everything. It can't right now, but if I move you here, get you out of here. There? Okay, now if you run it, it should work. Actually, I don't even need to reset anything. Okay. Run? Yeah, there we go. Okay. Yeah, I just had it on backwards. Okay. Sure. Let me quickly get rid of the e-buttons here. And then we go into the next one. Joker's finished 55. Okay. Lucky Cat. There are no lucky cards right now. Basketball card is just going to loop through the Joker's if rarity equals uncommon times 1.5 Mult. That's... Or actually, no, dang it, that's not how it works, is it? It's like if it scores as an uncommon Joker during like the main scoring phase, it like actually is. I don't remember how it works. We'll see. Just quickly spawn in a bunch of uncommons here. And then like a bunch of seltzers. How about that? Okay. So how do you do your thing? Also my camera stopped again. Sorry. Well, like I don't know what's wrong with it. I'm not unplugging it and replugging it in or anything. Or like I'm not... It also like has started doing this flashing thing, but only like recently. The exposure is like so wonky. Okay. Baseball card. That did not help. I need a uncommon joker that scores first to see how this works. Uncommon joker that scores. What would that be? Constellation, I guess. Spawning some stars. Or some planet person. Okay. So the speed down to 5. How do you work? On the jump. Send it. The seltzers go off. Constellation. Then uncommon. Okay, so when he scores, it's when he scores, yeah. It's not like a... Yeah, Constellation goes first, and then he goes through every single Joker. It's not like the Seltzer activates, then times 1. Okay, that makes this way easier. That means it's a end of hand. Sorry. End of hand, and I think it's blueprintable. I'm mostly certain. Actually, I think I'll have to go through all these again. Why just... Does the camera need a break? I don't understand. Like, huh. We good now? Do I need to, like, video capture? No, it's good. It's real good. Motion JPEG. Frame rate of change. 30. Oh wow, changing the frame rate, like... Oh, nope, that was the exposure. Light range. Normal. Okay. Whatever. Am I going crazy, or is there a new line? No, that was the debug message. Okay. Okay. Whatever. Jokers. It's gonna be... end of hand. So, madness, I reckon. Except a lot simpler. It's gonna be just... No need for a, self tag or anything. A baseball card, right? Yeah, baseball card. Name baseball card. And then... Replace it all. And lowercase this, because I prefer the look of lowercase. Uncommon jokers, yeah. And then it's a uncommon joker itself. It has no like start a blind event or anything. It's just like a basic after hand played main. If it loops through every joker, and then if the joker's uncommon, give times 1.5. So it's going to be 4 jokers in. And actually, no, it's going to trigger itself anyway, so 4 joker in state.jokers. It's going to mult. Well, sorry, if joker.rarity equals uncommon. Oh, sorry, that needs to be in it's a string. And I hate insert. Nobody uses that. If joker.rarity equals uncommon, then mult 1.5. I think that's it. Is there like anything else I need to check for? No, it would just, actually no, it would tilt that Joker. So it would be what? Tilt. Joker. So does it take in like tilt self as an argument by default? It does. Okay, so I can just do Joker.tilt and Joker.print. Print trigger. Use five Mult. Baseball card stack. Oh, the game sheet's so slow. I'm curious. I've never actually tried multiple baseball cards before. Did I miss it? Oh, yeah, I did. Okay. Running it. Oh. Oh, is it per other? Oh no, these are rare. Oh, I'm stupid. I thought baseball card was an uncommon itself. No, it's a. Yeah, you're right. Thank you for noticing. Okay. Okay. He does not give off rare vibes. This is a weak rare. I don't know if I'm going crazy or something. This is like, this feels really weak for a rare. No, whatever. Go next. Let me check baseball card, and then I will just get like a couple uncommons. Like, do I have self-investing? I don't think I do. We'll do baseball card. We'll do 3 baseball cards, and then 2 burglars. Do I not even have burglar up? Yeah, that's fair. I sorry, my brain just farted there. I forgot that baseball card itself was an uncommon, and I was assuming it was gonna be like, if there's like 5 baseball cards or something, then each baseball card triggers each baseball card 5 times. You know? Oh, it's so genius. No, that's not how it works at all. Burglar. So if we do this hand, yep, Joker trigger, burglars gives hands, play hand. Yep. Gives 3. Wait, baseball card gives. Oh, it's tilting weird. Oh, cause yeah, duh, the tilt. No, sorry, it's Joker.tilt self, and then print trigger. Do Joker. Is print trigger taken 2 arguments based on the existence of the default? Okay, I did have that. Hindsight. That's good. Does it ever like tilt by itself? I need to check. Collection, get 2 burglars. Oh, they both tilt? Huh. I thought Joker's only tilted 1 at a time. Guess I'm stupid. Okay, well. I mean, it's fine if they tilt. I'd rather not have to remake, like, Oh, this camera is... Like I was saying, I'd rather not have to remake the entire tilting system just because of baseball card. So I think it's fine if baseball card doesn't tilt, but the other cards do tilt. Seems fine. Okay, but now it should be looking like burglars get hands, so these two should tilt a bunch. Joker.tilt takes one positional argument, the two will give him. Oh, really? Does it? No, it... Do I... I have to go through, like... I have to go through such annoyances here. No, I don't. I can just reword this pretty easily, actually. Baseball card, and fine. The baseball card itself is going to get triggered. So the trigger itself, and self.print trigger, and it'll be makes and it's getting the Joker dot name. Give 1 to 5 times, and that's a fine way to reword that. Okay, we'll run it. Burglars get hands, play hands. Are the two at the end of baseball? Oh no, it's doing Joker dot tilt. Oh, okay, never mind. Yeah, that's fine. Good, okay. Alright, that's implementing fine then. Alright, next up then. We're just gonna shift to 6. Bowl. I just need it to like update constantly, which there's a lot of Jokers that need like constant updating, and I'll look into that later. For now though, it should be fine if it only like actually updates like on like the pre-turn, like pre-hands, you know? Pre-main hands, that one. I just like scissors into my balls. That's alright, next up. Jeez. You know, you should never go into engineering. It's actually the worst thing ever. That's my advice to anyone prospective thinking into going into engineering. This is another African main one. Like, if you have dreams, just like give up, because it doesn't get better, and everything's terrible. Like, you know. Yeah. Thank you. Very common. That trigger, yeah, it should be 2 triggers. It's gonna be if event equals here. Yeah, played, free. It's gonna be, let's give it a time. So, chips. Chips equals, it would be just state dot money times 2. and then after ham plate main and chips is greater than 0, it's going to trigger. So, and state.chips, or well, not state.chips, it's self.chips is greater than 0. Then we're just going to do the fun print trigger thing, joker.tilt, joker.perform. Yep. I should get the order fixed on this one. It should be print trigger, then tilt, not tilt, then print trigger. Shockingly, that matters because Python waits on Arduino, so it's going to be self.tilt and just chips, self.chips. I think we're good. May as well test it out real quick. Get a bowl in here. And get rid of burglar gives 3 hams, who cares? I have no money, so bowls or whatever. Okay, now I get money. Bowls should now be giving plus 18. Yep. Good. Gives is what I was using. Gives. Yeah, okay. Alright, that's another done. 57. Next up, Diet Cola not happening, trading card not happening, flash card not happening, because I don't really have shop yet. Popcorn! This one shouldn't be too bad. I just need to have like a Mult counter, and then like at end of round it just decreases by 4. And then if Mult equals 0, destroy. I should also get ice cream in. I'm pretty sure I was afraid of adding ice cream because of the perishing thing, but I have ascended death, so I think we're good now. I don't know why my camera's doing, like, do you see what the camera's doing? It's like going like dark, bright, dark, bright. Hate it. Really hate it. Alright, popcorn. It's not like low on battery or something. No, it's a USB camera. Why would it be low on battery? Just like all those frames. One of these types of jokers. Yeah. And yeah, popcorn. Name, popcorn. Description. So it's gonna be plus 20 Mult for now, and I'll make adaptive descriptions later. Rarity common. Oh yeah, it's plus 20 Mult, minus 4 Mult for round play. Okay. So self dot Mult equals 20. I guess that's how it starts. And then actually I can definitely get away with just saying plus self dot Mult. Great. Alright, after hand played 3, no need. After hand played main, it's just gonna get jumped. Actually no. I should add post because the blueprint shouldn't be copying it losing Mult. That wouldn't make any sense. Alright, so I'm gonna have favorite hand play post. Well, no, actually, sorry, it's end of round. So where's the end of round, lads? End of round. End of blind, yeah. End of blind. Self dot Mult. minus equals 4. If self.mult is less than or equal to 0, self.perish, self. And then similar to Cavendish, where did I put it? Yeah, gets until this perishes. Where did I put it? Here somewhere. Where am I? Where? There. Yeah. Okay. It's eaten. And then else is gonna just be similar but without the perish. It's just gonna say like loses 4 volt. I think that's it. Oh, there's no need for actually. It's going to be add Mult, and then gives Mult. Doesn't even sound like a word anymore, does it? All right. No need. It would be self.mult is greater than 0. We're good. Let me check. Place the baseball card with a top card. And add a new line. And then ice cream, I think, is basically the same thing as popcorn. Last time I checked, it's like is it like -5 per hand played? It's similar to popcorn, but not exact from what I remember. Okay. Ship it. Yeah, popcorn gives 20 mult, and then loses +4 mult. Should I say loses +4 mult or loses 4 mult? I mean, it's not gonna matter in the end of the day because I'm not gonna be displaying those messages anyways, I don't think. I mean, I might probably just do like an OLED instead. Yeah, who knows? And popcorn should give 16 mult. Yep, and now 12 mult. And then 8 mult, and then 4 mult, then die. Yep. It gives 4 mult, then dies. Yeah, okay, good. And it shouldn't trigger anymore, just making sure. Yep, okay, good. Popcorn done. 58 jokers finished. Moving on to ice cream, just because I skipped over that, I believe. Ice cream. Yeah, plus 100 chips, minus 5 chips per hand played. That should be really, really simple. Oh, sorry, that's the LARP. And I think I'm just gonna put this right here. Ice cream. Self.chips is hungry. Then name equals ice cream. Description plus self.chips. Chips minus that. I don't care. Minus 5 chips, right? Minus 5 chips for every hand play. Yeah. Okay, triggers, upper hand play, main, if event equals, right, we're gonna do after hand played, post. And it's gonna do this, but instead of self.mult minus equals 4, it's gonna be self.chips minus equals 5. Just making sure ice cream also has like the gets equal thing, right? When it gets down to 0. Let me just make sure by jumping in ice cream and a bunch of popcorns. Okay. This is fine. Next round. Go. Next round, go. Okay, then in 2 rounds it should get eaten. Die. And now it seems very much at hand. I'm pretty sure flush runs. Why not? Come on, flush. Now I just give myself like 3 burgers. That also works. Seven more hands. I don't know, I'm like 90% certain it gets eaten, but I just want to make sure, I guess, because I've never actually gone to the point of ice cream dying, because it takes 20 hands, which is a lot. What are we looking at? And eaten? Nope, eaten? Melted, okay. Good, cooked-ish, fine. Melts. Works. Okay, ice cream done then. That should be 59. Well, it's not done yet because I haven't implemented it in its entirety, but and self-done. Chips is better than 0. Add. Doesn't actually add any molds. Last time I did that. Add chips. Self-dot chips. And then self-dot sugar. Self-dot chips. Self-dot tilt. And then self-dot chips. Well, yeah, I mean... Melted is... It's... what's the difference? I just realized, melts... Is melts like... No, melts is not... present tense, is it? It's... melting is present tense. What's the difference between melted and melts? Melts is an action. It's like... Yeah, it's like... How do you say... Melted is like you describe something melted. Melts is like the Joker itself does it. So, fine, whatever. And then loses plus chips. It's maybe probably better to just say like loses 5 chips, loses 4 mult. Melted chips, French trigger, all the good junk. I think we're good. Okay, tack on ice cream, and we will do that instead of this one. Okay, so yeah, it should be. Oh, it missed the ace? Oh no, my camera, yay. I didn't miss the ace, it's just my hand was completely covered. In fact, I'm shocked it got the other cards like that. I'll look into fixing that later. I mean, I have no promises right now, but, you know. Anyways, yeah, ice cream gives 100 chips, and then Joker triggered, popcorn loses 4 mult. Joker triggered, ice cream loses 5 chips. Okay, so now it should be 95-16. 95-16? Yep, okay, good. And I cannot be bothered to check something else. Stuff. Did I already increment it with ice cream? I think I did. Alright, where are we now? Ooh, spare trousers. Should be pretty easy. It's just another like end of hand one. I can probably actually just copy over like Wily Joker on this sword. Actually, no, it's literally just Clever Joker, both a little different in scaling. It's called Spare Trousers. Name Spare Trousers. This Joker is plus 2 meta. It's 2 pair. I thought I highlighted everything, man. Rarity is uncommon. I knew that. I don't know why I had to double check. And it's gonna have self.mult 0. It's gonna be after hand played 3 2 mult. Yeah. Oh, and yeah, this guy had the right idea. Sit in. Browsers. Self.mult plus equals 2. Isn't that what I use? What do you mean unexpected? Oh. Okay. After hand played 3 and 2 pair in state hand. Browsers. Road games plus 2. Yep. And that's what I. And then gives plus self.mult. But there's no requirement for 2 pair this time. Self.state. Add mult. .mult. I need to make sure I didn't accidentally like do state.mult. I have a feeling I slipped somewhere and did state.mult. I'll check later, I guess. We make sure there's no errors. This looks good. Seems fine. I will just tack on a 4 and a 3 here. We'll make this a 2 pair. I guess I'll start with the flush. And also just quickly add spare trousers, and get rid of baseball card. Spare trousers. Run it. Okay. Yep, burglar gives 3 games. Blank. Yep. What? Spare trousers gives plus. Oh, did I not? What? Oh, I didn't put F. I didn't put F on it. Oh no, I just put. No, yeah, I just didn't put it on. Spare trousers gives. Oh, and self.mult greater than 0. I think that's good. Send it. Hands, play hands. Yep. So no trousers procs. Then I just need to replace the 5 and the 2 with ruler cards. Now spare trousers should be growing. Yep, gains 2 Mult. And gives 2 Mult. Is that how it works? Just want to make sure it's not a exclusive deal. Or how you say, like, if you play a hand with the 2 pair, then you don't have to like wait until afterwards. May as well check. I'm like 99% certain it grows and then you get the Mult at the same time, but it doesn't hurt to check. Yep, good, okay. So that's big 60. Big 60. How many jokers are there? 150, I'm pretty sure. Alright, so we're probably like halfway there in terms of jokers we can realistically implement. I gotta go to the bathroom real quick. I will be back in a couple of minutes, so feel free to take your own bathroom break, man. Goodbye. back. Sorry for the wait. Alright, so I think, yeah, 60 done. Next up, Ancient Joker. I forget, is Ancient Joker the one that, like, picks based on, like, deck weight? Like, if your entire deck is clubs, then... I mean, I guess I can just do the quick, like, I forgot what it's called, erratic deck, like, all 10 clubs. Alright, so it's purely random? Alright, good to know. So it's just, what, 1 and 4, and then pick a suit between those 4. Yeah, okay. Sure, not too bad. Get back into it. This is a on-card score Joker. Yeah, Idol is the one that, like, selects a card from your deck, yeah. I was wondering if they were, like, the same, though, because... I mean, it would be a little... I mean, yeah, this card would probably be a lot better if it works based on, like, weighted system, but, you know, if it doesn't, I mean, nobody uses this, I'm pretty sure. Can't think of a single circle actually uses this. I mean, it's maybe okay for, like, a gimmick and, like, a 1 in 4 chance, who knows? Right, I forgot I did that. No, it's... and then, what, Pain Chad, it doesn't give 25 re-triggers, it gives 2. Okay. So... Ancient Joker. Photograph underscore blueprint? No. What? And then description. Rarity, rare. And select a random suit, so it's going to be self-chosen suit equals. I assume it randomizes upon start, so I will do random dot how do you use this with strings? I know how to use it with, like, instance stuff, but, like, maybe random, like, H. Oh, that's a float. Yeah, no, I'm gonna look up how to use this function. Choice, of course. I mean, I should have known. And then do H C H C S. Diamonds, yeah, great. That should be all 4. Okay, then if event on card score and self.chosen suit equals state.suit and Mult 1.5 is 1.5. I think that's it. Oh wait, no, it changes based on the round, so I need to copy paste this. over to, these are round by round, right? Okay, end of round, so that's going to be end of the line. Yeah. Yeah, end of round. Okay, so if event equals end of the line, and choose a suit. We'll see if that works. I know I've not been having the greatest luck when it comes to Joker's working first time, but let's see if we can pull off a miracle. And we'll do this. You know what? I can just do H. That works for me. I don't think anyone's gonna really care. And then back on Ancient Joker. And it's just who do we get? Spare trousers. Actually no. Bowl. And then we will do Ancient Joker instead. Run it. Make sure that I didn't accidentally like knock the cards out of view. Almost did with the ace there. This should be way higher up. Okay. So it doesn't say which one it's selected right now. Oh, burglar gives their hand, snap photo. Game state has no attribute. Oh, it's card underscore suit, not just suit. That's my bad. My bad. State dot card suit. Should work now. All good? I'm sorry for the flashbangs here, jeez. I don't know why I don't know why it does the things it does. Yeah, looks like Ancient Joker is doing what it's supposed to be doing. Except end of blind here. Oh, it just doesn't have a message for it. Self-up trigger. We'll do changes suit 2. Remind me, does it have to go to a different suit, or can it stick to its own suit, or the same suit? I think it can stick with the same suit. Like 90% certain of that. Oh, new suit each time? Okay, so I need to actually wrap it with a WoW chosen suit. I need like a quick variable, like a temp. Suit. It doesn't need proper there. Suit. Wow. Temp. Something. That should be enough. I'm really sorry about the camera. I'm gonna try my best to get it fixed up. I don't know why it's like this. I really don't. Okay, burglar gives 3 hands. Ancient Joker. Ancient Joker changes to clubs, so we should get 2 Ancient Joker blocks here. Let's see if that's the case. I move this display. These guys don't really need to be here at the moment. Whatever, good enough. And okay, so we should get 2 procs here. Yeah, looks like it. Introduce it to H, and it's given, yeah, okay. 129 times 24. I'm used to the Mult here. 1.5 times 1.5 is 1.7. Is it? No, it's not. 1.5 times 1.5 is 2.25, right? So 2.25 times the base scan score of 2 pair being, I think 2? Is it 2? Yeah. Okay, so 2 times 2.25. I need to check something. Does Balatro do decimals? I forget if it does. That's probably such a stupid question, but like, I need to check and make sure here. Like 1.5 times. It's just. I thought I added you. There we go. It's on diamonds, so just do 2 pair. Is this gonna... well, that was a bad example. Diamonds, I need... Yeah, like this. Is it gonna go to 1.5? It is, okay. I'm pretty sure the way I have it right now is it rounds to the nearest integer. I guess I will fix that later. I'm putting that on my to-do list. To-do list, get rid of these. And we're gonna tack on symbols, display. Next up is ramen. I can't do that right now because I can't see how many cards are discarded easily. Walkie-talkie. What a breath of fresh air, jeez. Oh wow, the camera's busted. Like, it's dying of cancer, I'm telling you. Not even old age. This thing's a young thug, all things considered. Well, flies. I should be waiting for them to the right. Nobody cares. Okay. Yeah, walkie-talkie, like I was saying before I got distracted. It's just a 10-4. Photograph. Accept. Oh, I'm on the wrong camera. My bad. Talkie. Does On Card Score have a blueprinted version? I think it does. It does. Okay. Photograph should also be blueprint. Yeah, okay. Description. Okay. On Card Score blueprint and state dot card suit in. No, it'd be card rank in either 10, 4. Think that's how it works? I don't know. We'll see. It's gonna do plus Mult, add Does it add chips or Mult first? This is like the most stupid thing ever, but may as well be accurate, I guess. As well on top. There it is. Forgot to sell. Don't need you. And some foils. Convenient. Chips or Mult first? I could not tell you. I'm gonna lower the game speed. But with lower game speed. Chips or Mult first? Chips. Cool. And chips. 10 chips. Chips, and then it's going to go tilt, and then we repeat that. Right? Yeah, it also tilts for me. Good. That. And Mult for plus. I think we should be good there. I have a bunch of tons of fours here, so. Attack on walkie-talkie instead of spur trousers. Okay. I think I added a Joker, but forgot to update the count. I'll update the Joker's finished counter eventually, man. At this point, I don't care. Okay. Notably, did not work. Right. So you can't just use this notation. Intent card fold. What did I do for hack? For hack, I did. Oh, it's a. Of course. I forgot. They're not actual integers. They're strings. There we go. That fixes it. An IQ too high. Who knows? This might be 61. Copy was 10, 4, 10, 4, compare a horn, ancient. Yeah, good. Search remaining hands, $1 each. Good, okay. 61, I guess. Maybe. Who knows? Seltzer. This is easy as well. Retrigger all cards played. It's just gonna be another retrigger joke there. So it's next to a hack here. What time is it? 2:40 a.m. I can keep going. I'll either make it to 67 or 69 depending on how old I'm feeling. hockey. Already? I did. Okay, good. Okay, so seltzer, yeah, hands left hand, re-triggers, and then end of hand post is gonna left post. And sorry, after hand played post, yeah, self dot hands left equals 1. If hands left is less than or equal to 0, self dot hands left actually, then it will perish. Similar to the ice cream, if I have that somewhere. It's similar logic, so I think I'm just gonna steal it. Okay, let's see that. 1. So that hands left. We just ran out. Why not? And then the trigger is going to be like left. Or maybe like runs out and set the print. Next. Hands. Yeah. Okay. Oh, cool. Okay, I was wondering what that was. So I heard like a sharp like ping in my head. That must have been like a USB somewhere like disconnected, which resulted in this happening. I think that's what's causing it for some reason. But I will look into it. Because like that is not what it's supposed to be doing. Re-trigger all cards for the next. Maybe just do like this hand, because or just better yet, we'll re-trigger all cards. That works. And yeah, increases re-triggers. No event. Should be good. Let me add seltzer. It should be, yeah, 62 cards finished now. And we will replace ice cream, I guess, with seltzer. Let's see. Seltzer didn't activate. Why? Oh, is it? Why didn't I? Event equals re-triggers. It's a re-trigger. Did I put it in, didn't I? Like 98% certain I put it in. 10 minutes left. I put it in. I did put it in. Seltzer, retrigger all parts. If then it gets retriggers, it got retriggers plus for one, so that's it. Yeah, I mean, it should be printing. Retrigger. Did I not save this or something? No, I definitely did save it. One hands left, 1 equals 1. I guess let me just try again. Maybe I messed up somehow. Who knows? Pretty sure retrigger logic is still all here. Yeah. And it's working, so maybe it just doesn't feel like working anymore. Let's see. No, we're good. It just Seltzer didn't feel like activating last time. Yeah. Seltzer runs out 9 hands. We're good. And run it. Run it a few more times. It's gonna make Seltzer run out. Popcorn was eaten. Seltzers left. 2 hands of seltzer left. Run on 1 hand. I don't feel like putting hand, like if it's 1. Yeah, seltzer ran out, and now seltzer shouldn't activate. Good, okay. Is that 63? No, it's 62 completed. I updated it earlier. Castle's the same as Ancient Joker, right? Where it's not weighted. It's just gonna be stupid. Oh, for discarded, I can't do that anyways. Smiley Face is basically like the same as some of these other guys at 10-4, so it's fine. Walkie-talkie. Walkie-talkie, but just if his face. Pretty easy. And got his face. Smiley face. Hey, it's me, it's Balatro. Must be anything. Sorry. Play face cards, yeah, +5 more. Space capitalized? No. Okay. So yeah, on card score blueprint and state is face, just add 5 Mult. Pretty basic. Good. And I guess we'll test it out. I don't have any face cards. I'm very confident this works. Except I have to make sure that this is set to true, I guess. Actually, maybe it's because like it wasn't confident on what it was returning. Who knows? I mean, I'm just gonna make sure that's true. And then we go with 63. I'm not implementing selling yet. I mean, I could. Nothing's technically stopping me. It's just it would take updating the Joker class and adding like a sell and a buy prices, which I don't think I can be asked to do right now because that would require updating every single Joker. I would much rather just like give the AI my code and be like, hey, can you just like add the sell price based on this table? Which, I mean, I can just always do that later, but it's AI, so it's boring. Mr. Bones is already added. Acrobat, it's like dusk, but I will not be updating every Joker manually. That sounds awful. Yeah, Acrobat is basically dusk, but bad. So, yeah. Don't know what else to tell you. That's basically what it is. Yeah. Where did I put you? Dusk. And this should be after and blade. Is there any retriggers that can't be activated by blueprint? I don't think there are. Okay, we're good. It should be after and blade main and state and equals 0. Mult equals 3. Or just mult 3, and then print is s3 mult tilt, and Acrobat, let's update this. I think that's it. Yep. Next up is Sock and Bustin. Retrigger all play face cards. It's just hack, but with face cards, I think I can copy over basically everything from hack, except just use is face, which makes this easy. Sock and Buskin. Is that how you spell it? Buskin? Yeah, okay. The descriptions retrigger all put face cards. Rarity uncommon. And state dot is face. When we trigger all face cards. Boom. Done. Go next. 64. Swashbuckler. No cells yet. Troubadour. I don't have hand size. Certificate. Not happening. Smear Joker. That would require me updating the scoring mechanism, which blah 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 blah. I'll do that later. Let me just add to my notes, add Smear Joker. Because that doesn't sound fun. And Smear Joker. Throwback I can add, because I can just add like pretty quick state or like skipped lines. Start at 0. We set it to 0 here. There's no point in reset. Actually, this entire function's useless because I'm not like restarting the game. I should probably just nuke it, all things considered, because it does nothing but confuse me right now, and I will actually get it set up later. For now, we'll just do like pass. Cool, good enough. We have skip lines to 0. And then if you skip a blind, skipping blind and restate skipped blinds plus 1. throwback, which is a end of hand one. Let's throwback. Times 0.25 mil for each, and I will include the currently in like a different part. Starts at 1, so just done. It's 1 plus state dot skipped lines. It's gonna say like, oh, it's circular logic or something, but whatever. Is suit, yeah, that's fair. I should make like is suit and like is rank. Actually, no, I don't think I need is rank, because ranks don't really have like a. It's only face cards. There's no like 2s, 4s, 5s, and 6s all count as the same rank or something like that, because that would be stupid. I think it's only to do with face cards. So, okay, yeah. Adding a is suit function sounds good. Plus, I would probably fix up 4 fingers. Okay, sure. I'll add that to to-do list. Okay. So yeah, throwback, skip lines, throwback. And then, should I add like an on blind skip trigger? I mean, what would that be used for? On blind skip? I mean, let me just think, is there anything else here that happens when you skip a blind? Let me just look up like a skip. That's booster pack skip. It's only throwback by the looks of it. So I guess this actually technically would count as like a special Joker, because it would want to. Actually, no, not really. I don't need to like show it updating on blind skip. I can do that later if I'm feeling fancy, but for now, yeah, I have total skips, so plus, yeah, times 0.25, 0.25, and we'll do after hand played pre. It'll update. That seems fine. And it doesn't need a tilt for the update. We'll just do like it's the initial, and then I think that's all I would want for this bit. And then for the next equals after and play main. And then we want to do just the everything else bit, which is just the mult. Gives times mult f, and then tilt, and then mult self drop. Okay, should be fine. I don't know. I'm iffy on having an entire like event just for throwback. I guess I have one for Mr. Bones. I don't know. Mr. Bones is more important than throwback though. Actually, both are really fun jokers, so I don't know. I'm iffy on it. Like just like after skip. Why not? Who cares? I'll just say throwback. Cool, he gets his own event. He's awesome like that. Trigger, jokers, throwback. Yay, good job. And then he also gets like the trigger and yep. Games. Like Mult. And then currently Mult. X. And then tilt. Okay, that's alright. I think that should be rollback all figured out from being the way back. And then we will just replace popcorn because we've already figured out how that works. Rollback and tilt terminal. Oh, I bumped the microphone. Making sure my camera isn't dead or anything. Virtual cameras picking up every card, give or take. It pisses me off so much that, like, these aren't as clear to the camera as it is to me. Like, I understand why that is, but to me, these are, like, crystal clear displays showing 54 and 10 right now. But, like, yeah, no. Can't do much about it. I mean, I technically could do, like, a bit about it. I could maybe, like, put, like, a on-screen display here, like, showing the updating Mult. Realistically, that wouldn't be hard whatsoever. I should do that. It would just be, like, print to a file the chips and Mult values, and then just, like, display them on screen. Wait, skip dust lines. Oh, circular imports, right. So we don't want to do that. Okay, and now we're good. So throwback is the second one. So select deck, select stake, skip blind. Yep. Currently, sorry. Oh, did I forget to add the Mult? One plus skip lines. Do I not increment skip line? No, I did. Oh, I just did it in the wrong order. You have to do that first, then do that. Send it back. Yeah, and then sorry. Yeah, I know you can't see anything right now. I'm just stupid, and I stick to this perspective way too much. But here. So yeah, second Joker is the throwback. And then skip. Did it not like tilt that second time? I swear I didn't see it tilt. Huh. Maybe I'm going crazy. Play this. That photo. Oh, what? Throwback object has no attribute Mult? Yeah, it does. Oh, it doesn't. What do you mean it doesn't? Oh, I just didn't... forgot to set the default. Which should be 1. And should we get now? Oh, I should add a... sorry. So add a condition for this, which is and self.mult greater than 0. Or sorry, greater than... back. In fact, yeah, I didn't go to the store today. This is typically my day to go pick up meal prep stuff. I was too locked in today on the everything else. basically. I have progress on the 3D model. Fun fact, right before stream began, said friend actually reached out to me and like started asking specifications. So he's working on the model. Should be done, yeah, like by Monday next week, I reckon. Which should make all this cardboard stuff a lot less stupid looking and should make swapping jokers easy, swapping cards easy, stuff like that. So that's good news. Yeah. Skip. Oh, it tilts. It just tilts like really fast. Oh, I know why. It tilts really fast because I didn't reset the I didn't send the command, which is like reset. When things increment outside of rounds, the way that I have the like speed up system set up is I have it so like you send a custom command which resets the scoring. So I need to send like start scoring or like reset speed timer or something. I'll remind myself of that. Just like as a function before every joker trigger that isn't like the main hand, basically. Is that throwback done? I think it's throwback done. Let's see. Let's throw it back. Seltzer retriggers. Ancient suit. Where is throwback? Does throwback not have a message after hand played main? Retrigger gives. Where's throwback? Event equals after hand played main. And self dot mult is greater than 1. That's true. It was at 1.5. Then it should be triggering. Yeah, self dot mult updates. 1 plus 1 times 0. Yeah. 2 times 0.25. And self dot mult should be, yeah, greater than 1. Huh. Is that condition not coming true or something? Or is it like resetting? I'm just gonna save and exit real quick. So throwback, trigger. Throwback gives times 1.5 mult. What? Then why did that condition block it before? Self.mult was greater than 1. Am I going crazy? Okay. Was the throwback text there before and I just didn't notice it for some reason? Let's see. I might actually just be losing it. I also completely forgot if I already added throwback to the Joker's finish counter. Who knows? Alright, we're gonna play a hand, and we're gonna throw back the next one. Yep. Skip. Play. What? But it is! It is! Self.mult is. What do you mean this condition's not true? Self.mult is greater than. Do I need to add like or equal to? What? What? I don't get you. I really don't. Maybe I make it so like every single it's just gonna print self.mult whenever it's triggered. What? Like, unless it's like invisible to my eye right now, I don't see throwback in there. Self.mult was greater than 1. Currently 1.25, but says 1. 1.5, but says 1. Does it think it's always 1? Does it like reset or something? 1 plus skip lines times 1.25. Self.mult? Oh my god, it's... I found... I'm retarded, I'm stupid, I'm not great. Okay, it's fixed now. Go next. Well, I was setting a completely different variable. Alright, there we go. I'm just gonna assume that I didn't increment it before. We're at 65 jokers done. Don't question me. I am correct. I'm better than you. I'm not printing anymore, am I? I am. Yeah. What are you? I'm shocked that didn't result in any errors, which would have been helpful. My camera stopped again, because of course it did. Why would it ever work? That makes no sense. Run. Skip, play. What do you mean? Throwback has no attribute. No. Alright, we're good. I think that's it. Right? Self.mult, self.mult. Change to mult. Is it single mult for like ones with incrementing mult? Did I do mult? I did do mult for the majority of these. There's only one of them actually. Mult underscore mult is dangerous because I think that's also the name, like the function that like adds mult. So maybe Ask Me was cooking, except on Madness. Maybe I do mult all one word. Mult isn't a word anymore in my dictionary. I'll like self.mult. Self.mult. Mult. I'm sure I don't see any more mult underscore mult in here. Bowl, popcorn, ice cream, spray froze, throwback. Okay, yeah. We should do mult no underscore. This is scary to do the underscore version. Okay, and now if I look up mult underscore mult, it should just be the mult there. Oh, except you. Mult. Ah, there we go. Mult. That's correct. Mult. I can't say that word anymore. What is happening? Yeah, okay, we're all good. So now the mults should be multed by, whatever. Throwback triggered twice. Go next. Cool. Did hallucinate an extra card there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It sure did. Ace of clubs, 4 of hearts, 3 of clubs, 4 of clubs, 3 of diamonds. Where did I think the 2 of diamonds came from? Whatever. I'm shocked I didn't break. Okay, skip that. Skip that. Go next. Okay, and skip that. Skip that. Go next. Okay, we're good. Throwback works. Okay. What's the next step on the chopping block? Hanging Chad, I already did. Rough Gem is easy. Did I do Rough Gem yet? I have a feeling I did Rough Gem. I didn't. Okay, well, Rough Gem is essentially like business card, but cooler, kinda. Where's business card? I'm gonna put it right next to business card because it's basically the same thing. Except without any of the luck elements, it's just completely rough gem. Spend 3 hours. Wow. There's a fire that happened near where I lived. I was out walking today for a job interview. Not a job interview, I was actually just scouting out a place because, believe it or not, I am unemployed. I mean, shocker, but yeah, it was like hot. Like, it was hot to the point where you couldn't go like a couple seconds without saying, "Ooh," you know? It's crazy. Yeah, I ended up getting there. It was a sushi restaurant with 2 servers. And they said they had no dishwasher, so I am hoping I stand a chance to get accepted in, and if I don't, then that means that it's all cooked. There's nothing I can do about it. There's no point worrying about something you can't fix. One part's full. Oh, I was modifying the wrong one. Whew. There's a diamond suit. Thank you. I also hope I get the job. Job hunting for me has been like the worst experience ever. Like, I thought they were joking when they said how hard it is to get a minimum wage job, but I tried like every fast food restaurant in my area, and none of them even gave me a chance, even after like calling them. And like, that's like what you're supposed to do, you know? You put in your application, then you call them, or you show up in person, and then you're like, "Hey, how do I stand out?" And they say, "Oh, put down your phone number," and you stand no chance unless you do that. And then even if you do that, they're going to be like, "Oh, actually, we aren't hiring. That's just a ghost position." You know, it pisses me off because, like, why would you say you're hiring unless you're hiring? You know, like, I don't get it. It's annoying. This diamond. Let's keep that money plus 4. Do I have any diamonds? I do. Okay, so I should be able to check this pretty easy. Yeah, maybe. So yeah, after this project's done, I'm gonna be moving on to other projects probably. The next idea I had in mind was I'm going to create a remote controller that you you use piss as an input, not like actual piss, but like simulated piss using like a hose. And the idea was use the piss controller to beat Minecraft. So that's what's next for this channel. Oh yeah. They're gonna be afraid of me, you know? They aren't ready for the piss arc. So Rough Gem should just give $1 here once he sees the diamond. Yeah, Rough Gem, Rough Gem. Yeah, no, it's goated. I mean, tell me, have you ever seen anyone beat Minecraft using a urinal remote? That's all I'm asking. This is one of those, like, examples of, like, it has shockingly a lot to do with the field I'm going into. I'm probably going into embedded systems and digital signal processing, which are, like, same shit, different ass, as they say. But essentially, it's like digital signal processing, like a core part of it is the exchange between latency and accuracy, or like stability. So the piss controller, for instance, shockingly, water streams are not very stable, which means that I have to mess around with like the balance between like what counts as like being within this region or like being in this input, stuff like that. So yeah, shockingly, it is not a completely useless project, and it's something I can put down on like a portfolio as like I built a like water, like acoustic based water stream managed input device with computer analysis analyzing the audio signals that come from water landing on different materials, and use that to accurately manage a software or something like that. That's what they want you to put it as in like engineering and software development. Then you have to put it as like the most fancy shit ever, even though it's like piss controller. That's all it is, really. Rough Gem, right? Yeah, it's done. Okay. 1 in 2 chance. Yeah. Okay. So this is gonna. It should be much more similar to this instead. Yes. The idea with the piss controller was make it so each region, like, I don't know how to illustrate this best. Imagine this is a region, okay? Oh. Great, camera, I love you. Imagine this is a region, is what I'm saying. So if you have the water stream land in this area, then it's going to land on a material that makes a different sound than landing on, like, this area. And each area would correspond to a different input. Like, for instance, I would have, like, A, W, S, D, like, look left, look right, look down, look up, like, left click, right click, stuff like that. That was essentially the idea. I don't know how realistic that is. I know acoustics is, like, somewhat important, but I haven't really played around with it yet. Plus, I'm a moron, and believe it or not, that might be a little bit too much for me. So, yeah, who knows? How do I phrase it? Uncommon, I'm pretty sure. And then I could do touch sensors, and that's easier, but I mean, like, significantly easier. I just wanted to do sound because it sounds cooler, I guess. Like touch sensors is absurdly easy and kind of lame, but I don't know. That's just me. I think the cooler endpoint is more fun than the like boring but like easy and simple kind of endpoint. That's just me though. I don't know. And then yeah, state dot mult. Well, not state dot mult. Mult. Fine. Yeah. Okay. And then print trigger views x1.5 mult. Should be 67 done. Congrats, Gen Alpha. You are here for the moment. 7 jokers done. Ha ha ha! Yay! Haha, I'm making it to 69 and then I think I'm done for the night because it's been 3.5 hours. Okay. Yeah, Arrowhead next. This one's not too bad. It's more like Rough Gem than the other one. Yeah, Spade. Spade card with... Just gonna copy this text as per usual. Yes, it is 3:25, give or take. I am a West Coastian, unfortunately. It's actually like a burning hell down here. It's terrible. I almost caught myself slipping there. Why am I up so late doing this? This is not too late for me, honestly. It's summer vacation, I'm unemployed. I prefer working into the night because if you want the strategic answer, I only have blinds. I don't have like a full like curtain system. So it's really annoying to work on this during the day because glare tends to like mess with computer vision so badly. So I definitely prefer working on this at night, at least for now. Once I swap over to like e-paper, I can definitely get away with doing it during the day because e-paper relies more on like light being there to make contrast. So, but for now, yeah, this project works way better at night for me. And I'm a natural night owl. I can get away with doing this. I'm not too tired right now at all. I just need to get a lot of stuff done tomorrow, unfortunately. Is that it for Arrowhead? I think that's it. And then the Onyx again. That one, I could do like a tracker based on hand, I guess, where it's like an on-card played and then it like checks. And I mean, that's something I'll get to next stream. I'll just finish with Onyx Agate here, or Agate. I have no idea how to pronounce it. The thing with these like suit-based cards is that if one of them works, all of them work, and I already tested Rough Gem and it works, so all of them work. I'm kind of just waiting right now for the YouTube algorithm to do its thing. Like, I think the devlog is at least like interesting enough for maybe like 100, 200, 300 viewers, or 300 views. I don't know. I understand that like software isn't too interesting for people, but I started on like the glowy lights, you know, like the Yeah, I do need to change all of them later. You're right, and I will, but not right now. I will get smear. Yeah, debuffed would also probably be a part of the like is suit function. But you know what? That's a problem for future me to worry about. 7 Mult, and we're just gonna run a quick test with all of them. There's gonna be Corruption, Arrowhead, Bloodstone, and Onyx Beams. I'll keep burgling. I like burgling. Bloodstone and Arrowhead. Okay, I think, yeah. This will be the final test for the night. Hands are all good. Between now and next stream, I will try my best to figure out how to make this camera less scuffed, and I'll try to complete a couple of the things on the to-do list. And if I'm lucky, then like maybe I'll have the 3D enclosure in time. I don't know. We'll have to see. It depends on how speedy my friend is with this. To be fair, it's a pretty simple print, so I don't expect him to take too long. But yeah, here's with all 4 of the suit cards plus burglar. Yep, Onyx and Bloodstone didn't, but we do another run, and surely Bloodstone now. Yep. Okay, cool. Yippee! Alright, well, to all 3 of my lovely viewers, thank you for being here and suffering with me, I suppose. It's definitely nice to have company compared to just doing this all on my lonesome. So, it is appreciated. I'll see how I'm feeling on Friday around the same time. I typically do like Monday, Wednesday, Friday nights. It really depends on just like if there's progress that I see. That's like fun progress, but yeah. Next up is just 3D enclosure. I'm gonna get more of these jokers printed out and set up the OLEDs properly with like a good outline. It's good to see that it worked, like, somewhat. And then, yeah, otherwise for this project, it's mostly software until I make the huge hardware jump over to e-paper. So, yep, that's it for now. Hope you all have a good night, good morning, whatever the hell it is for you guys. And, yeah, catch you on the flip, as they say. Ciao.